How to mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked. If you want to mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you just need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the followers. And once you're here on the followers, now what you need to do is you just need to select the follower or tap on the three dots, which is here on the right side, and tap on remove, and you will remove the follower. So that's how you can remove your followers one by one. But if you want to mass unfollow them, then we don't have that option yet. But what you can do is go back and go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Scroll down, and here you will have help option. Tap on help and go for report a problem. Tap on report a problem again. Tap on don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you just need to enter that hello Instagram team. I just want to mass unfollow on Instagram without getting blocked, so please help me with that problem. And once you've entered your information, you just need to go for send, which is on the upper right. Once you send, Instagram will take action on that, and it will give you some steps, or it will guide you with some steps. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.